Gerald Johan van Was. I will give you an extra demonstration of a word that is a bit similar as a previous demonstration of the word mist will be extended with an extra word mist. Let's show you how you can recognize the letter combinations of mist in the object or objective view, how we see mist and how this is working as a letter combination. I put my scheme here and I put the letters there where they are on the scheme so that I can use them as a reference point how I see the letter combinations. Some of the letters are in the first category where we are orientating ourselves on space and try to have an objective view on what the thing is. There's no letter that is involved in changes and evolutions and so on, so there are no letters there, but there are letters that are related with reorientating ourselves because we can't find the context very clearly. So let's go to the letters one by one and see what we are doing in our orientations by using these letters. The letter M is basically, if you see in the first kind of letters, the first 9 letters are all about trying to focus on the object, trying to distinct how the object looks like, where it is, and the middle focus is about how it is forming. The last part is like, you have a little bit too many variations, so it is a bit more difficult to see to where it is forming, and that's our first letter. So the formations can go anywhere, and we try to see these directions. So we try to see where it is, and we are trying to focus on the variety of where all the formations are going. That's the starting point. With the E, we try to redirect ourselves because it's not very clear immediately where it is going. So with the E, it's like a refocusing and see where or in which area we can find a starting point or a new starting point so that we can use it as a centralizing view from where we can start from. So it is that's the focus of the E that we try to so I put it onto the M. So you see already it is like, okay, it can go all directions, but we try to focus where we can start from. We try to, with me, we try to penetrate into this vision of where where it can lead to, where it's going to, where the directions are going. It's not very clear yet. And with the S, it is dispersing again to all directions. So we even follow further up where it is actually dispersing itself, like in the mist. It's going actually also all directions at the same time. So we try to penetrate our vision into that area, in that new area where we try to focus, and it's going into actually it's actually going all directions. That's where we, the letter T, try to distinct the form, and that's the end letter as well. So that's our end goal. It is trying to find where is a form, so to where is it actually dispersing, how far is it dispersing. That's the mist. We try to make a distinction and try to see how far this is going to in all directions until we can really see something, and that's the point of where we can see something is the T. So that's the point where we see something in a whole area where we actually everything is actually dispersing in all directions. If you focus on the most part of the word, it's the mist itself. You can't see where it's going to, So we will look into the midst of the mist to see to how far we can see there. Anyhow, this was the kind of extra forecasting. I hope you enjoyed this small video as well, and that explained a little bit what is happening in a word, what is the directions that are shown in a word, and how we try to find an order in them. There's a website too with some short URL there where you can find previous videos linked, and you can subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like. Thanks again, bye.